Hello everyone, I am Sofia Muniel M. Pangatungan. I am presenting indirect comparison of capacity. Step 1. Get 2 containers of different sizes. Fill the first container with water. Carefully pour the water into the second. Observe.
Does the water fill the second container?
Yes.
Does it spill or is there a space left?
There is a space left.
Reflective questions. What did you notice when the water from one container was transferred to other?
There is a lot of space because it is very big and the other one is small.
Which container can hold more water?
The bigger one.
How can you tell?
By the bigger size.
Did the smaller container fill the bigger one completely?
No.
Why or why not?
Because of the space.
If you use the bigger container first, what happens when you transfer the water to the smaller one?
Still, because has not enough space. Direct comparison. Prepare 3 containers. Container A, container B, and container C. Use container C, the third one, as your measuring container. Fill container C with water, then pour it into container A. One. Two. One. 2. 3. 4. There are 2 containers for this. There are 4 containers for this.
Which container needed more refills of container C?
Container B.
Reflective questions. What did you observe when using the third container to measure the water in 2 containers?
You need a lot of container C to fill container A and container B.
How many times did you fill the third container to match the first container's capacity?
2 containers.
How about the second container's capacity?
4.
Which container has the greater capacity?
Container B.
How did you know?
B, because it has bigger capacity.
Why do we need a third container in this activity?
To measure. That's all for today. Thank you and see you next time. God bless.